Hello friends, today we will see bond angle comparison. Actually the question comes in the exam, compare the bond angles. You have to give decreasing order and increasing order. So we will see some questions and it's my request to see the whole video because one by one I am going to explain the rules and a trick to you. Actually one rule we will apply to the questions and then we will mix up those questions and mix up those tricks and we will apply to the questions where mix up questions are coming, like a hybridization mix up with NBPER and then mix up with VSEPER theory. We will apply those theories and with respect to the questions. Okay, let's start. First question is write the order of bond angle. First question here is this acetylene, then ethene and then methane. Here we need to show the bond angle comparison, means whose bond angle is more. As you can see, acetylene is sp hybridization because it's a 180 degree angle we can see here, and this is sp2 because two bond orders are here, so its angle is going to be 120 degree as you can see, and this is methane tetrahedral 109 degree 28 minutes something. So always to remember this values is very difficult, so we will see some trick to solve these questions. As first trick is hybridization. SP angle will be greater than SP2 and then SP3. Okay, here 180 degree approximate and here 120 degree and here will be 109 degree something. So what we can estimate from this is bond angle increases has a electron negativity increases because sp is more electronegative than sp2 will be and then sp3 we can say. So bond angle increases as electronegativity increases, has S character increases. We can see here more S character than here and than here. Okay, so first trick is this one. So let's apply it to here. Here SP, so its angle will be more than its angle. Okay, now the second trick. Second trick is we will see repulsion theory. Repulsion, triple bond repulses more, means if it repulses it will decrease the angle, and then lone pair and then double bond and then single bond. Okay, as we will apply this here. As you can, first my request is always while solving this type of questions, draw the structures because if you draw structure it will help you to easily solve the question. As you can see, here is lone pair and we have seen that trick. This is repulses more than lone pair and then double bond then single bond. As you can see, here is lone pair, means it will make these both to decrease the angle, means this size it will make it to decrease. So here bond angle will be less, and then here is double bond will repulse less than the double lone pair. Then here it is sp2 as you can see. So bond order will be this one. First we have seen hybridization and then we have seen this theory. This is sp2 and then we have seen compared in between these both that lone pair repulses more than the double bond. Now the third question. See, PCl3, POCl3. First I have already drawn structures for you. The lone pair repulses more, so decreases the bond angle, and here then double bond. So order will be this. Now this question, here we are applying the repulsion and hybridization. So here you can see that here triple bond, so it repulses more than this double bond and then this lone pair and this. First we know this, first it repulses more, then lone pair, then double bond, then single bond. So you can see it repulses more, means it decreases bond angle. So at last we will see D will be last because there are triple bond. Then here it is lone pair, so it will be second, and then we'll see double bond. Here is C, and here there is no double bond and lone pair, so A. This will be the order. Okay, and now here if a lone pair increases, bond angle decreases. We see that tetrahedral, it will be having 109 degrees 28 minutes, and it having 107 degree, it will be having 104 degree. As we know, these three are sp3 hybridizations. The hybridization is same. So we will see the second one, that lone pairs. So here will be more bond angle than this. Because of this lone pair, the bond angle decreases. This is its order. Now here we will apply via CPR. Has a bond angle is inversely proportional to the electronegativity of side atom. Why I am saying this? For this, when you will apply this is when there should be lone pair, and it should not have NBPER theory. It should not that should not dominate here. So what we will do here, we can see that there is a lone pair, there is same atom, only side atoms are different, and their electronegativity we will check. Fluorine is more electronegative than hydrogen. Electronegativity of side atom is more, bond angle is less. So this one is greater bond angle. And here we will see NBPER. NBPER means this central atom should be of a second period, and side atom should be size should be more, I mean bulky groups. In bulky groups there can be CH3, there can be ethene, there can be chlorine, bromine, iodine. So when NBPER dominates, theta increases, angle increases. So we can say whose bond angle will be more. Actually, how here there are lone pairs. These lone pair also will repulse, will go away from each other. So the bond angle increases. Here NBPER dominates. Okay, so let's check it out. Now third one is NBEPR. Increases, angle increases. First we always see hybridization, then we see repulsion, and then we see here NBEPR. Okay, now again questions. Here we see electronegativity of central atom. In VSCPER, you just see here, I'll divide it into 3. Bond angle is directly proportional to electronegativity of central atom. Bond angle is inversely proportional to lone pair of central atom. And third is bond angle is inversely proportional to electronegativity of side atom. This we have seen. This already we have seen by using this, and this also we have done in NF3NH3. Now we will see this one, bond angle directly proportional to electronegativity of central atom. As you know, this all comes in nitrogen family. So as we go top to bottom, electronegativity decreases, so the angle will be more of this. And here also similar. Now this one, I have already told you that always draw the structure first so that you can easily understand. Here you know its structure will be this. Here 2 lone pairs, and this is Drago compound, means there will be no hybridization. If you know, it's better. If you don't know, just remember this is Drago compound, because phosphorus size is bigger, and this hydrogen won't be able to hybridize with phosphorus orbitals. So their angle is approximately will be up 90 degree. So these angles are less. And you know, here 1 lone pair, and here will be more 2 lone pairs, so more repulsion. So this will be the order. And now this we need to see. First we always see the hybridization. B of 3, this will be sp2. So, and here this will be sp3. Same sp3, this is Drago. always less. Okay, sp2, we have seen electronegativity and this trick, sp2 and then sp3, this is bond angle trick. So sp2 will be more. Here we will see this is of second period and this is of third period, and it forms an NBPER. So NBPER dominates always, NBPER increases, bond angle increases, so this we will prefer. And then in both we have seen VSEPR theory that NH3 is less electronegative, this is more electronegative, and bond angle is inversely proportional to the electronegativity of signed atom. So this is, so let's first check it out. I am telling you to use first this, always check it, this one. Always remember that S character increases, bond angle increases, then see repulsions, and then see NBPER, then go to VSEPER. Okay, the same we have did here. We have first seen hybridization, then we have seen given a preference to the this one NBPER, and then we go on to the VSEPER. Okay, and now let's see this question. Here I'll tell you always to draw these structures. You will see that this order will come like this. This you already know, we have done this. You do the because of the lone pair, you will understand this is linear molecule, so 180 degree its angle will be more. And here you will see there will be lone pair, and here there is no lone pair. While drawing a structure, you will see how to draw a structure. If you don't know, then I'll make other video for you, but now you understand it.